This is a 1963 Thunderbird. It actually just came out of paint. And well, it's still got some detailing work to be done to it, but we told the client to bring it in since it hasn't been wet sanded or anything, so we can get under this hood. We're going to do a points elimination, and well, we're also working on brakes and all that other stuff, but today we are going to be doing the points elimination. Super cool project car.
So the lightnings come in, right? This is our lightning system going on. You can see he's been replaced on. Yeah, it's fine. We don't need him anymore. Anyway, the lightning comes from the lightning cube over there, and it goes in this side, right? And then this guy gets power, right? And then when the octagon spins, he opens and closes this thing, right? Boop, 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 boop. Anyway, and then this guy's like a battery, essentially, right? And he charges up, and then when this guy opens, he sends spark out the wazoobler over here, you know, this thing. And then it goes to the pistons, you know, essentially, or the spark plugs.
Each one of these, this is an octagon, you can tell, each one of these is for a cylinder. 8 of them.
Then when it opens, it collapses the electro-digital field inside it, and it shoots spark from this guy. And then across this thing, comes in here, goes out there, and into one of these dudes, and then they go, power pumper.
Okay, so if somebody is doing a points elimination, what is going to be step? Well, after they get the distributor cap off.
Oh, get your poking stick.
Get your poking stick.
Mm-hmm. And take it all out, because we don't need any of this bullshit. Jesus Christ. You better come out of there, motherfucker. Like, why? Why do we have to do all that? It's a 2-ounce little kajig. It's not like it's, the whole world ain't held on by this fucking screw. Christ almighty. Well, it's because you're filming it. And that's why it's fucking stupid. I'm going to hit it with a hammer soon. Oh, thank God. Yeah, it hurt me. I was going to fucking hit it.
It threatened.
Yeah. Bitch, what do you know now? How about you? You going to come off of there nice? Oh, yeah. You're fine. See, points are the devil. And they're bad for you. Along with Holly carburetors. Also the devil. I mean, they're alright, but they just leak a lot. I'm not into it. Alright. So then you're going to carefully save all the little pieces because you might need them. And then you're going to read the instructions after that to realize that you don't need any of this shit. It's probably going to come with its own shit. And you're going to throw all this in the garbage. Even though it looks like somebody probably spent money on this recently. 0 fucks. So, yeah. Pretty much. All of this just randomly not needed now. I do like this factory connector, though. Look at that fucking coolness. It's got a little notchy thing in there so it fits through the distributor. People thought of things like that. So this is all, junk. And then we're going to take whatever they gave us in this fucking shit show of a kit, which is some sort of space bleep blooper. This thing was expensive, too. $100-ish more. $1.50. I don't know. Money.
Yeah.
Yep. Just dump it all out. Because see, look, we saved the screws over there only to be foiled again because we didn't need them. Anyway, so we're not going to read instructions or anything because that'd be way too easy. More or less, this is the Looking at Her 9000, and he corresponds over here. You see how that? Yeah, so this guy's got like some sort of, space eyeballs thing in there, and so he sees when he's not, whatever. I don't know. Stuff happens. Here we are. So now we got to figure out which one of these fits on the ground. So it's probably this one. We're just gonna look at it until we figure out where it goes. Not gonna ask any questions because that'd be out of this world. It's probably that one that fits in there, kind of gooder-ish. Yeah, sure. I dig it. Sure. Mint. Then we're gonna take one of their screws. I'm gonna put it in the screw hole here. And apparently that goes here. We've recently decided.
Did you put the electrode on?
What electrode?
That little wire? Wasn't that?
That's a ground. We don't even need grounds. Those are for negative people.
No, I thought it was just connected with that screw.
No, they were. It was just they used this screw for something else now.
Okay.
And so he'll probably end up living over here somewhere. Yeah. And then, obviously, we didn't give us the right length screws because that would be stupid.
But luckily,
yeah, we have the other screws, so it's fine.
They look like the same.
Yeah, they definitely are because it's going into the same.
No, I mean they look like the same length on the bigger ones. It's just that small one.
Maybe. I don't know. We're gonna just decide it's fine, but it's not. It's not fine. Maybe we should read those instructions, but it's for stupid people, right? I don't know. This other thing is happening. What is... This guy's talking about a ham sandwich.
No, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Like, why doesn't this fit in that now? Does it need the other plate I threw on the ground? Probably. Oh, yeah. Probably works better that way, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I bet you that this is going to function better than the thing they put in there. But I threw it on the ground, and so it was fine. And look, this kind of fitted. It did not fit. We'll throw this one on the ground. Yeah. We'll put this one in.
But if you can't fix stupid, sorry, I saw that sign. If you can't fix stupid, what do teachers do?
What does that have to do with this going on right now?
I saw the sign. I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign.
She saw the sign. There's no screw hole right there.
I feel like that is a teacher's description.
It really
They
is.
are fixing stupid.
Kinda. I feel like this is stupid. I bet you they want me to do more work. Those bastards. Not for it. I don't know. We have to read literature now, I guess.
Aww.
I'm not real excited about it either. Is there pictures?
I hope so.
Me too. Oh, they want me to use both of them? Probably need all the screws. Don't do it. Yeah, okay. That makes 34% more sense. We had it right. We didn't know. We just didn't know about it. It was fine. We were doing the things. I was like, I'm pretty sure this goes here. It fucking lines up pretty good. See, you put the short one in, and then you do the hokey pokey, and I don't know.
I'm gonna go turn down the music a little.
Okay. Yeah. Apparently you're supposed to tighten that one down there, and then this other thing goes on. It's fucking stupid. Like, how are you supposed to even do stuff? I Incredible Hulked it. It's fine. So then you put this thing on, apparently. Fucking dumb. This thing goes all the way the fuck through there. Yeah. And then this thing goes here, apparently. According to the picture, I didn't read any of the instructions on. Oh my god, it's a lion! Alright. And then, so this guy, he fucking just sends her all the way home. And this guy's just most of the way home. You know, it's fine. And so then you take and you put your Beep Boop Machine 900 on. Yeah! Karate! Cool Kids Club. See, you gotta put the sound effect on it. There you go. Right. Then we're gonna take our ground guy, you know, and he feels sad because he's not there no more, but it's gonna be fine. So we're gonna just ground him again because I feel like grounding stuff is good.
So why do you do the points elimination?
Because points are garbage.
I see.
Yeah. They're not actually garbage if you know what you're doing, but they're very, you gotta do stuff to them. Yeah, like adjust them and stuff. You can actually leave the key on too. That's the big thing. So like if you leave the key on in this car, stock, to listen to the radio or whatever in the on position, and those are not separated on that octagon deal, they just...
Oh, and it fries it?
Well, yeah, it welds together. And then you don't go anywhere.
I see.
Yeah. Then you got no spark. And it welds together, and you go, no go.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Yeah. I mean, it's nothing to get in here with a screwdriver and break them apart if you know what's going on.
Right.
But otherwise, it's a tow bill, and we can avoid that for $163. That is one tow bill worth of electro-digital awesomeness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it,
the
huh?
conversion. Essentially. We got to put the grommet in and wire it and stuff like that. This little kit's pretty cool, though. This is the more expensive of the two, honestly, because I like quality shit. But this one's like MSD or Mallory. It's the same company now. But, yeah, I fucked this already. It's okay. I wasn't paying attention. I was talking to the internet friends. Yeah, I don't know. Are they internet friends or are they just internet acquaintances at this point?
Well, some of them.
They could be friends if they subscribe, but...
Exactly. The ones who don't.
They're not friends. Yeah. Be friends.
Internet enemies.
Internet acquaintances, madam. They might want to be friends. I don't know.
Internet enemies.
Yeah, it's like the anemones.
I
know. Yeah. I'll gotta go find Nemo and... Off the starboard bow. I don't know, fucking boat stuff. Go talk to Jared about it. Yeah. And this thing has to plug the thing.
That makes sense.
Yeah. You gotta poke it in there. It's one of them things. Get a poking stick. And go in there, thing. Yeah. Yeah, better. More in. That's what I'm about. It's almost there. It's kind of like there, but different. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's kind of in there.
It's almost.
Can't see this side, see? Maybe we just flick it. Yeah, see, it's fine. It's fine if you flick it. There we go, see?
Just bounce it in there.
Yeah.
That's great.
You can bounce it in there. Yeah. There you go. Now it's in there. Here's the key. You can't put the little box connector on before you fucking put this through there because the connector doesn't fit. As we can see. Boop.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now, yeah, we got some wires to hook up. So I'm pretty sure that the red is the plus, and then the green is probably the minus, and the brown seems like the ground.
Yes, the ground is brown.
Yeah, that's all we need.
Brown to engine block.
Yep.
Green is minus. Red is plus.
Doesn't matter. I threw the thing on the ground.
It says a ProMaster coil is shown for illustration purposes when using a stock coil connect in the same manner shown.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I do now need the fucking pick. Apparently putting these through the little connecty thingy made the little legs not so out no more. Yeah, and I'd like it to stay in there.
Seems better.
Yeah. Alright, make it plug in like this.
1 is green, 2 is brown, 3 is red.
Yep. Zoop. Plugalize to 900. And then this guy, we're going to have to go rob some nuts off another coil over there somewhere. But this will all get swanged with the wing wang. You know, with the green one here and then the brown one. Well, why didn't we just make it the same size? Ugh! Ah!
We'll be back.
Look, these fit. Yeah, great. We'll just have to cut those off and put new ones on our brand new things. Look at us, mutilating brand new fucking $170 shit because nobody knows how to measure a fucking eyelet.
No, it's just because they make the same fucking garbage and they adapt it to this different shit. Yeah. They don't come in different fucking packages because they sell it.
We need the rotor now. So this guy's on like that. There you go. And you just put your factory hat back on. Make sure nothing's in there. These fucking clamps are a bitch. This is one of my least favorite parts about a Ford of this era. Oh my god, come on. See, the back one's not horrible to get on because you can get in there, but the fucking front ones are always just such a bitch.
Good job.
And this guy goes back in here. We still gotta ground that one wire though. Yeah. That's, I'm sure, not gonna fit, because why would it? You know. Not gonna fit.
No.
Cheat codes.
He's gonna pinch it.
For the moment.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is not an all the time fix. This is, don't ever do this. Just, this is temporary just to get it started.
See if it will start.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot I keep mine